cosmic adventurers. Ever wondered what could happen if we swapped the sun with the moon? Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, right? Well, brace yourself because we're about to dive into this staggeringly catastrophic yet fascinating scenario. Picture this, our moon, which whispers to our oceans causing the tides and acts as Earth's bodyguard against cosmic rays and space debris, suddenly swaps places with the sun, the glorious star that fuels life on Earth with its light, heat, and energy. Can you imagine the awe-inspiring chaos that would ensue? Stick around to find out. Imagine waking up to find the moon blazing in the sky, trying to replace the sun's job. Our days would be dim and cold, drastically altering the climate and throwing our ecosystem into chaos. Plants would struggle to photosynthesize, leading to a collapse in food chains. Animals that rely on daylight to hunt or forage would be thrown off their routines. Nights, on the other hand, would be illuminated brightly, disrupting the natural rhythms of life, such as sleep cycles and nocturnal activities. The stillness and tranquility of the night would be replaced by an unnatural brightness. It's a wild thought experiment that showcases the delicate balance of our solar system and how each celestial body plays its unique role. Buckle up because this hypothetical journey is going to be an eye-opener, revealing just how finely tuned our existence is. First off, let's consider the sheer size difference between the sun and the moon. The sun is about 400 times larger in diameter than the moon and roughly 330,000 times more massive. If the sun was as close as the moon, we'd be living in a sauna turned up to 11. The intense heat would vaporize oceans, melt the polar ice caps, and turn our atmosphere into a scorching, toxic haze. But hey, let's ignore the impending apocalypse for a moment. What if we had advanced technology to protect us? Even then, with the sun so close, our world would turn into a literal solar beach with temperatures soaring high. Plants, animals, even nocturnal creatures would need to evolve to survive the onslaught of heat and light. Species that are only active at night would have to find new ways to cope with constant daylight, perhaps burrowing underground or evolving heat-resistant features. This radical transformation would force a complete overhaul of ecosystems and food chains, leading to the extinction of countless species and the emergence of new ones adapted to this extreme environment. But wait, there's more! Remember how the moon's gravity has been our planet's dance partner, helping stabilize our rotation? Now imagine replacing that with the sun. We're talking about Earth trying to do the cha-cha slide during a roller coaster ride. This lack of stability would cause dramatic shifts in climate and seasons, leading to unpredictable weather patterns and making life as we know it nearly impossible to sustain. Our days and nights would be thrown out of whack, with some regions experiencing perpetual daylight, while others might face endless darkness. Of course, we could always play around with some high-tech solutions to combat these chaotic changes. From launching massive rockets to adjust our orbit, to artificially creating tides to support marine life, or developing advanced shielding technology to protect us from the sun's radiation. Scientists might even develop ways to create artificial night cycles to give our ecosystem a fighting chance to adapt. Additionally, we could explore geoengineering methods to manage the excessive heat, such as deploying giant reflective shades in space or altering the composition of our atmosphere to reduce solar radiation. And let's not forget, the swapping of the sun and moon wouldn't just affect Earth. Our entire solar system would feel the repercussions. Imagine planets being tossed around like bumper cars and dealing with the sun's intense radiation. The gravitational balance that keeps our solar system in harmony would be thrown into disarray, potentially leading to collisions between celestial bodies or the ejection of planets from their orbits. The outer planets like Jupiter and Saturn, which act as guardians by capturing comets and asteroids, might find their orbits disrupted, increasing the risk of impacts on Earth. But let's be real, our moon, unfortunately, wouldn't enjoy its place in the spotlight for long. Most likely, it'd either start orbiting the sun only to be swallowed by it, or simply wave us goodbye and take off into the unknown expanses of space. The moon's departure would leave Earth without its stabilizing force, further exacerbating the chaotic rotation and climate shifts. Our nights would be plunged into complete darkness, devoid of the moonlight that has guided humans and animals for millennia. So there you have it, folks. a cosmic twist that turns our world upside down. Thankfully, this scenario isn't physically possible, so let's just appreciate our beautiful moon and life-giving sun where they are right now. That's all we've got for today, dear adventurers. If you love venturing into this cosmic what-if scenario, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your fellow space enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring.